Hi, good morning. Beautiful Friday morning kay holiday. So, I have time to cook breakfast for the whole family. So, sa mga hilig ka magluto nga nanay, dali magluto ta ninyo og pamahaw. Let's cook breakfast. So, mani atong buhat pag walay klase magluto. Mananong. Dakang kay buhat. So karon luto ta og itlog nga naay beef loaf. Akong gikuan. I smash the meatloaf and then mix it with egg. Then himuna na ko siyang omelette. So ganahan na kayo ang mga bata. O kamote nga purple. Agoy, kalami. Look, oh. Kayami, ani, oy. So, ang akong friend, gitagaan ko kamote. So, naatay donation na kamote nga purple. Agoy, kalami, ani niya. Init, kaayo, naibuwad. Aroy, di ba lami ni siya, naibuwad? Di. Oh, see? Lami siya nga naibuwad. Anin, doon siya, friend. Agoy, oh. Violet kaayo niya dagko pag yun ay sa napaik ng atong omelette. Diba? Sige. Padayon. Ay nako. Alright siya. So kaysa katong hiwa-hiwaon no, even kanang spam, yan ani ora gihapon ako siyang unsa na kanang smash na ko and then i-mix na ko egg. The kids like it better this way. And then panana lang. Shake. So di kay ta perfect muluto kay di man ta professional chef. Sana lutong bahay lang ta kutob. Diba? At least kamaot ta muluto. Yeah, magluto sad ta og fried rice. So, fried rice. Sa pika side, magluto ko fried rice. So, yan. Let's put na our vegetables. This is a vegetable fried rice. Maraming green peas kasi mahilig si Alex, si Bunso ng green peas. Yan, para colorful ang ating fried rice. Diba? Cut tayo dito ng egg. Luto na yung egg. Let's mix it with our rice. And konting salt. Welcome to Jamaica. So, dali ra ka magluto og fried rice, guys. Very easy. So, So, luto na atong fried rice. There you go. Wala, ginabasa na kayo tabangan. Naasin mo. Gising na sila la, palabasin mo ng mga bata, kain na tayo. Birthday ni Pia Karon. So to prepare our dilis, let's mix it with soy sauce and spicy vinegar. Yan. Then you just mix it. Maraming kamatis at sibuyas.
Good morning. We have a big breakfast today. We have dilis, danggit, fried rice, egg over easy, scrambled egg, and tuyo, and camote. It's very good.
Hey, you forgot the orange!
Yeah, no, I forgot the orange. We have the orange too.
That's spam. Meatloaf with egg.
That's why I heard you say corned beef, and I was like,
Yeah, I was supposed to cook corned beef. I think I cooked too much today, so
We
that's
cook
enough.
all this food for breakfast. So
can I have mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese this afternoon. Your lunch.
thank you, Mommy, for cooking our good and delicious breakfast. Now, let's eat.
What's your favorite Lexi?
I'm saving all the stuff for later.
Alex likes the wiggly egg.
I like that.
What is that? And the green peas and the mixed vegetables and your fried rice.
I like the dilis. Dilis, this one.
I want to put this in a bowl so I can eat it after. I do not want to have it facing at me when I
This is my favorite, the dilis. It's good. Like that.
What happened to your danggit? I thought you liked danggit.
Oh, I already ate danggit. I already ate 10 of this. So if I eat a lot, I might have high blood. My blood pressure will go high. So I'd rather take it easy.
Asa mas na? Ako plain rice. Kamote na lang po. Salimot ko da. Ay. You guys want Dutch milk?
Yeah.
Me, I like the purple kamote. Nagbigay si Joy ng kamote. Kaklase ko dyan sa unahan.
Mama, where's the plain rice? I want my plain rice.
You want your plain rice?
Yeah. Very good.
Say hi to the camera. There. So dali, mga ata ninyo, let's eat!
Yeah. Danggit is good, especially when you dip it in the vinegar, like this.
Can you stop talking about that? That's even not a lie. Why? It looks like you're talking about a life.
What?
It looks like
It looks like Dad is talking about what?
talking about a life.
Nice.
Live.
Okay.
Live?
Alive.
Alive?
Alex, your voice is so soft.
Alive fish?
So,
So I'll eat kamote and dilis na may kamatis at sibuyas at saka Tuyo, buwad. So, dali mo. Kame.
Ito, sarap. Dilis.
Tamis kayo ang kamote. Tamis kayo ang purple kamote.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God, look at my Lexi. Look at her rice. Oh my God. Sige. Kami kayong kamote, paired with dilis.
Mama. Hello, Mom.
Alex also love this kind of kamote, the purple.
Hey, Mom.
You want me to cut it into half? Kalame. Here. That's your kamote ice cream.
Ilan ang tanong video yung map?
Ano siya ga, Dinky? Sabi niya, malapit na yung December, mamamas ko ulit ako sa inyo.
Yun o.
Nagbigay na kamote.
Ano ba pinamigay mo last year?
Bigas. Na may dilata, no? Daghan ba itong lata, no? Pero ko ba, lima?
Ano, corned beef?
Okay, now.
Sardines? Sorry.
Magbupa.
Hey, Mom, look at me. Hold the camera.
Paminaon lang, kukuhiwan ko pangumpra.
Mom, we are
Asa naman
having,
yung kamote? Di ka ganahan?
we are having a new family member right here.
Ay, yung family member na.
Give her the kamote, oh. Cut it into small.
Nakuli yung balat cream?
Small.
Nakuli yung balat?
Small.
Kahalan sa vinegar.
Small. Where's it? Dad, take
Lamig kayong buwan.
Dad, take a
Sarap ng tuyo.
Dad, take a video of me. Today with Jackie. Jackie.
Ang tatagaga.
Here you go. Jackie, here. Yummy. Jackie, here you go, 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 yummy. That was the biggest piece you made, Jackie.
Ang tayo. What? More kamote? Our Jackie loves the kamote.
She won't die, right?
No? That's okay. Dali.
Dad, this is the last piece. Here, take a video. Don't face it to me. Wait. Here you go, yummy.
Masarap yung dilis kasi maliliit. Yan na lang ito.